So today we're playing a game of high and lower to see the earnings of different jobs. Now, for every single one that I get wrong, I'm going to be giving away 100% discount code into my course so you can learn exactly how to trade completely for free. Now, I'm actually hoping that trading is going to be one of these options because I know I'm going to smash this one. And the aim is to get at least, I would say 10, hopefully, but yeah, let's see how it goes. So the first one we're looking at right now is plumber, gas fitter, and mechatronics engineer. Okay, that one threw me off a little bit. I can't lie, the name alone is so complicated, bro. It has to be higher, right? Like, there's just no way. Oh my word. Oh, okay. Oh, that's 8 bags monthly. That's actually quite high. Caretaker, I can't lie, it's not gonna beat this, so that's not. Yeah, come on, man. That's 2 in a row already. We're smashing this. I think an office clerk and a caretaker. Office clerk has to be higher, right? Oh my word, there's no way. All right, cool. There's gonna be a code right here. Okay, let's try again. So I've got 2 so far: pharmacist and industrial mechanic. Bro, 10K? Nah, come on, it's not beating 10 bags, man. Yeah, thank you. Industrial mechanic and electrical engineer. I can't lie, I've heard people that on anything electric make bank. So just off that alone, my boy told me this, anything electric, they make money. So if I get this wrong, then he lied to me, bro. Okay, say no more. Bakery, nah, allow it, no way. There's no way, right? Yeah, thank you. Alright, we'll beat our score so far. Hairdresser. I can't lie to you, you could be a hairdresser and make a lot of money. It all depends on how you sell yourself, do you know what I mean? Like how you market your business, because there's probably people that if you're doing people's hair that are in high places, bro, you can earn a lot of money. Like 2K isn't that much. So hairdresser has to be more. It just has to be. Oh, 4K. 4K is a lot of money, you know. Retail cashier is like the lowest job you can get. That's like bare bone basics. Okay, we're at 5 now. I'm doing pretty good. Store manager is going to be higher. Thank you. So I haven't seen trader yet. Secretaries. Ooh. Secretary is the one below managers, right? Or is that the one like that works close to the big boss? I'm gonna say higher though. Oh. All right, say no more. 6. So I need to try and get 10. I need to try and get at least 10. At the bare minimum 10. Speech therapist. What does that mean? Is that like people that give talks? Because they make money. If it's people that are like speakers and they speak in places and stuff. But I don't think that's what this is. This is speech therapist. So you just speak to make people feel better. I'm gonna say less though, because 7K. We're going against 7K here. Oh, that one was close. Graphic designer. If you're a graphic designer for someone like Mr. Beast, you're earning a lot of money, bro. Do you get what I'm saying? Like this isn't really fair. 6K isn't that much. Graphic designer is gonna be earning. What do you guys think? That's what I want to know here. But this one is pretty hard. I won't even lie to you. I will say lower though, because I'm guessing they're talking about like the general, average graphic designer. Okay, that one scared me a little bit. A seller. This is vague, man. This is very vague. You could be selling anything, but I'm gonna say more. Nah, oh, come on. Nah, come on. That one there personally is not fair. You could be selling anything and you're telling me 3K per month is what that is. People that sell on Amazon are making millions, like, whatever. All right, another discount code. Okay, automotive mechanic and I can't pronounce this, I'm just gonna say higher. What? Wait, what? Wait, what just happened? Wait, did I get that wrong? I can't even go back to see it. I'm at 6, bro. How? I feel like I'm doing poor. All right, this one's gonna be the one. Watch. Okay, chemical technician assistant and an editor. Okay, this one here, if I get this one wrong, then this is a setup, because we all know editors make money. I'll tell you that for free. Editors are making more than 3K per month, bro, because editing is not easy. If you're a very good editor as well, like you're up, let's say you find the right person that has a lot of bag, those YouTube channels on like millions of subscribers, come on, man.
Another one.
Oh my goodness me. I can't lie, this one is dead, man. Nah, this is a scam. this is a scam. So now I kind of get how it works though. I think they're thinking really the bare minimum. They're thinking about the basic of people. So now I'm gonna get it right. All right, teachers apparently earn 3K, there's, but road builders are gonna earn more. Fam, I'm doing horrible, you know. Receptionist and a cook. Come on, man, a cook is gonna earn more. Oh my word. All right, that's another discount code. At this point, I'm just losing way more. Okay, technical drawer is gonna earn less. Stop playing with me now. All right, cool. Let's get the ball rolling now. A receptionist is gonna earn more than 2K. I'm gonna think, see, why is it so close though? 2.6, and a call center agent. A call center agent is gonna get, oh man. It's gonna be 2K in it, but it's gonna be like 2.4. So let's say, this is hard though. Less? Oh my word, I got that to the T. Fair play. Excavator is gonna earn more. That's big machinery, Joe. Thank you. All right, we're doing well now. A controller, this is to do with planes. They're earning more. Stop playing. Thank you. 6K. All right, we're at 5. Warehouse worker. Now, what warehouse we talking about? It's not gonna be a controller, man. We don't need to think about that one too much, bro. They still earn a decent amount though. Economist, more. Thank you. Now we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking about 8K per month on architect. These are the people them that deal with like housing structures, right? And how it's gonna look. Oh, this could make money though. Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close. Oh, this could be peak. An architect is gonna get less. Oh my god. Oh my word, a specialist. They're talking about a doctor that knows what they're on. So this is a guaranteed 100% more. Cause you're telling me a specialist ain't earning more than 6? Stop. I don't want to play anymore. Bun this, man. What's the next one, bro? Forget that one. Allow it. Net worth of people. All right, cool. Boom. I don't know who this bedroom is, but she's earning. Ooh, wait, hold on. 14 mil. But she's bait though. More. Holy. Oh, fair play. Whatever this is not earning more than her. Thank you. Allow it. Yeah, allow it. Elon Musk. Thank you. Higher. I'm smashing this one. Smashing this one. He's not earning more than Elon. Allow it. Whoa. How is that so close? What is this? What is this currency? Euros. Justin Bieber is earning. Who is this guy? Musician, and we're talking about another musician. But I know him, and I've never seen him. Wait, are these numbers making sense? I swear this number was just higher than Elon Musk's earnings, but I'm smashing this one though. Bill Gates is earning more than him. Yeah, allow it. Oh, I see. Okay, I wasn't reading it right. We're talking about billions here. He's not earning more than Bill Gates. Allow it. Thank you. Ooh, they're both actors, you know. She did the games. What's that? Game of Thrones. And I've seen him about as well. I feel like he has more movies though than her, and he's a producer apparently. So I'm so close to 10 though, man. But I know her though, but I don't know her that much. Brad Pitt has to earn more, 300 mil. Oh, I'm cold. Oh man, 20 mil? She's not getting 20 mil, bro. 20 mil net worth? Nah, man, there's no way, right? There's no. Thank you. Thank you. 9 out of 10. Come on. Content creator, little cheeky 6 mil. Whoever this guy is, Bushido, rapper, entrepreneur, all of that thing. He's got a hella things to his name. So I'm gonna say more. I'm banging this though. All right, Cristiano Ronaldo, come on. Clear, come on. Ooh. He's top tier actor. I know he's up in the game, and he's top tier footballer. But there's money in football. If you know, you know. There's money in football, but there's money in, bro, because he is clear. He's clear. This is tough. Ooh, it's Ronaldo though, bro. You know what I'm saying? Oh my word, come on. Come on. I know him, I don't know her, so she's less. Oh my god, who's that? Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like the different style of content. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.